Hi, here I am again, Mr. Yund, with your vocab for Chapter 16. Let's go ahead and take a look and then bump onto the quiz. Simple matching quiz. There's just not a lot of vocab this chapter. Fugitive, person who's running away from legal authority. We think of fugitives now, we think of like people that escape from prison. But in the context we're talking about in Chapter 16, we're usually talking about runaway slaves. Secede is to officially leave an organization. We're of course talking about states seceding from the Union. Border ruffians, armed pro-slavery supporters who crossed the border from Missouri to vote in Kansas. We'll talk about that. They called it Bleeding Kansas. Basically, people were fighting the Civil War before the Civil War started. Civil War, conflict between citizens from the same country. An arsenal is a place to store weapons and military equipment. A martyr is a person who dies for a great cause. Usually people think of martyrs in religious terms, like being killed because you're of this religion. In this chapter, where it would be in the context of dying for, say, abolition. Secession, withdrawal, different context of the word secede, secession. And states' rights, the theory that individual states have a right to control their most important affairs as opposed to the federal government. So that's it. We take a look at our quiz on the very next page. Preview, 8 points, it's matching. There you go. One big long question for 8 points with all the definitions. That's it. That's it for today. We'll get started on lesson 1 tomorrow, and I believe it's a Thursday, so there'll be some kind of supplemental assignment as well. That's it. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here for you. Take care.